The Supermarine S5 was built almost 100 years ago with one purpose: speed. This aircraft made history not only by winning trophies and setting records, but also by being the foundation of perhaps the world's most famous aircraft, the Spitfire. Now, a century later, the Supermarine Seaplane Charity is bringing you the opportunity to take to the skies in another classic aircraft, the de Havilland Chipmunk. Your instructor is an airline and display pilot of numerous historic aircraft. After a full briefing, you will take to the air, enjoy an unrivaled view of the British countryside, and experience the manoeuvrability of the aircraft. To take part in this fantastic opportunity, all you need to do is raise £250 that will fund the construction of a new S5 seaplane. Don't delay. Start your path to the air today.